Iran has advanced military capabilities for war at distance, IRGC said. Islamic Revolution Guard Corps, IRGC, Commander Major General Hossein Salami revealed Iran's missiles and boats are equipped with artificial intelligence technology that operates with tremendous accuracy. Islamic Revolution Guard Corps, IRGC, Commander Major General Hossein Salami revealed on Wednesday that Iran can wage war from a distance and engage in military operations. War from distance is a war of equipment and technologies, and the Islamic Republic of Iran has succeeded in obtaining these capabilities. IRNA News quoted the general explaining during the National Conference of High-Speed Vessels at the Persian Gulf University that war from a distance is a war of equipment and technologies. He divulged that Iran has been successful in securing such technology and equipment and detailed that Iran's missiles and boats are equipped with artificial intelligence technology that operates with tremendous accuracy. He applauded the nation's development in numerous areas like military and deterrence forces and expressed that, today, we can move from Bushehr to the American coasts, which is a sign of the power of the Islamic Republic of Iran. On Tuesday, Iran's IRGC Navy fired a ballistic missile from one of its warships, marking a first for the country. Back in March 2023, the IRGC's Navy received the Shahed Mahdavi warship, a unique vessel based on the conversion of a 240-meter-long cargo vessel. The ship was expected to serve the purpose of hosting small speedboats, helicopters, and unmanned aerial vehicles, as well as defensive weapons. The Shahed Mahdavi vessel provided the IRGC with a floating base, from which it could deploy several naval or aerial vehicles near the contentious Strait of Hormuz, which had been seeing increased U.S. militarization. However, the IRGC's engineers surprised the world yet again by installing missile launchers, derived from shipping containers, on the ship's deck. These silos house medium-range ballistic missiles, MRBMs, from the Dufakar class, dubbed Desful. For the first time, the IRGC's Navy released footage in which it test-fired the system. The release adds to several made by the Iranian armed forces, including the launching of a short-range air defense missile from a speedboat, as well as footage of the testing of longer-range MRBMs.